Hi! Welcome back to my channel, Pinoy Adulting 101. My name is Richie, here to share some tips and ideas on how to live smart in the Philippines and how to go through adulting, as well as how to become a freelance virtual assistant, particularly on the healthcare field. So for today's video, we will be discussing about the most common U.S. healthcare insurances. So if you'll be working as a virtual assistant for a doctor or a practitioner or for a hospital or private clinic, then there's a big chance that you'll be working with patients who has insurance or have insurances, because patients can have more than one insurance. Okay, so in this video, let's first define what is a private insurance and what is a federal funded insurance. So those are the two main categories of, insurances in the United States. And a healthcare insurance is, an insurance coverage that typically pays for medical, surgical, prescription, and sometimes, dental expenses incurred. And there are a lot of there are different types of insurances and insurance companies in the United States. So I'll be giving you the top 25 private insurances in the United States based on market value. And then I'll also give you the most common federal insurances. So if you have further questions, just comment it down below and maybe we can create another content regarding healthcare insurances. By the way, just a small trivia, did you know that almost 90% of Americans are insured or has a healthcare insurance, and only around 8.9% doesn't have a healthcare insurance? So imagine working, with doctors and with patients who has healthcare insurances. So you need to have the basic knowledge and, be familiar with the different types of insurances if you want to be a healthcare virtual assistant. So let's start. Oh, by the way, I've prepared some slides, and also kindly take down notes. And if you like this video, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pinoy Adulting 101. I'll also write down the link for my other videos. So I've made a video about the administrative tasks, clinical task of a healthcare virtual assistant, as well as sample calls. So kindly check it out later when you have time, okay? Thank you. Private healthcare insurances. They are primarily through employer-sponsored plans. So that's the most common setup. It's the employer or the business or the company that pays for these insurance plans. To receive health insurance, employees have an option to participate in their employer-sponsored plans, and they pay a monthly premium. In return, they receive an insurance card that gives them access to the doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers that are in network with the insurance plan. So, the top 25 private health insurances are United Healthcare, Kaiser Foundation, Anthem Inc., Humana, CVS, Healthcare Service Corporation or HCSC, Centene Corporation, Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Jersey, CareSource, Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina, CareFirst Inc., HealthNet of California Inc., UPMC Health System, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Massachusetts, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Tennessee, Metropolitan, Cigna Health, WellCare, Molina Healthcare, Guidewell Mott Holding, California Physician Service, Independence Health Group Inc., Blue Cross of California, Highmark Group, and Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan. But there's other healthcare providers or healthcare insurances out there, so this is just the top 25 list, okay? Next would be federal healthcare insurances. Federal means national government. So when we say federal funded healthcare insurances, these are taxpayer funded health insurances that are funded by the state and federal taxes. So we have Medicare. These are for 65 years old and older, those who have end-stage renal disease, those who have disabilities and ALS. Then we have Medicaid. So this is state-funded and federal-funded insurance. So this is for the desolate families who cannot afford health care. Next would be CHIP. It's almost the same as Medicaid. And then we also have the federal state employee health plans. Those who works for this insurance is for the government employees. And lastly, we have Veterans Health Administration, or VHA. And VHA, we also have TRICARE. So VHA and TRICARE can be used interchangeably. So this is a very short video about the most common healthcare insurances. And if you have further questions, like for example, you'd like to discuss more about Medicare, just comment it down below. And good luck on your journey in becoming a healthcare virtual assistant. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.